Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating my new Simplex 4004 fire alarm control panel that I bought off eBay. I got it last week actually, and I spent yesterday afternoon setting it up and programming it the best of my ability, thanks to the help of Bella. Hi kitty. Yeah, she helped me set it up. So, anyway, let's have a quick look at this panel. So if I just open it up, here, as you can see, here it is on the inside. So I got my alarm set up, and I got the pull station set up, which I'll get more into those here in a minute. So, as you can see, I do have a little bit of trouble in here. As you can see, there are some troubles. I know the lowercase d is obviously because I don't have a battery in it. So, yeah. But it does have a few other troubles, as you can see. So, I'm trying to work on clearing those out, but I haven't gotten there yet. So, anyway. But here it is on the inside, and here's the door, as you can see. Looks like previously the zone 1 was pull stations, zone 2 was smokes, and then zone 3 was duct and stock RM. So I'm assuming that was obviously a duct detector they had in there. Yes, Bella? Meow. So, anyway, and which is kind of not too far off from what I have set up now, because I have the pull station wired in it as zone 1, and then I will eventually, when I get this on the system, I will have a smoke detector on zone 2. I'll try to keep it original. And here's the specs here, as you can see. So, yeah. So I figured I'd demonstrate it for you guys. We just close this up. And so anyway, for the pull station I have set up is my Simplex 4999/2999, because since I converted it to conventional, it's no longer addressable. And for the alarm I have set up just for demonstration purposes is my Simplex 4903/9424 horn strobe combo. So yeah, at the moment I have it set on March time, so it's going to be doing March time. So I guess I'll demonstrate it for you guys. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Silence that. So that was 120 beat Simplex March time. So got it all silenced. So now I'll reset the pull station, which I might have to set the camera down for this. Maybe not. Nope. All right. And we'll do a system reset. And it takes about 15 seconds to reset. Whenever it decides to do it. There we go. So now let's change coding. So in order to do that on these panels, you want to flick this dip switch here, SW3. So flick it to on, hit the acknowledge button, and we want to go to E right there. And then change coding. Right now it's set on 3, which as you can see is 120 beat march time. So we'll set it to 1 for temporal or code 3. So there's code 3, and we'll just flick it off, and then you gotta press the acknowledge button. And close that up. So, whoop. Yeah, because of the troubles, it sometimes does that. Okay, so now we'll do code 3. Okay. Reset that pull station. Okay. And we'll initiate a system reset. Whenever it, there we go. And I'm not going to do continuous, but oh, all right, fine, I'll do it. So here we go. Let's go back to coding. E, and then continuous is 0, which, by the way, 0 on this is none, but that's continuous, which obviously means it's not coding. So now, all right, hopefully. So anyway, continuous. There. That was loud. All right. Yeah. And if you were sitting in this house right now, you would definitely hear that. God, that actually kind of blocked my ears a little bit. All right. Well, I think that's enough system tests for today. So, yeah, as you can see, this panel works very well. I love it. Can't wait to put it on my system and do some proper system test videos. But for now, hopefully this holds you over. So, that's all I got for today. Goodbye.